It's okay, Jess. It's okay, son. It's okay.
It's all gone. I wasn't there to go with her. It's my fault.
No. She brought you something special when she came here, didn't she? That's what you hold on to. That's how you keep her alive.